it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I've got a really cool topic for you here today. Not only are you going to learn how real estate agents become very successful compared to those that don't, but you're also going to get a little sales tip here that will help you tremendously when working with buyers and sellers. You know, the number one question I get from real estate agents, literally every single day I get this question. We work with about 30,000 realtors around the country, so with emails blowing up all the time with, top questions that I get from them, the number one question is, what's the biggest difference between real estate agents that become successful and those that just kind of grind along year after year, decade after decade, never really building a big business for themselves? And the biggest difference of all that I've found is not exclusive to real estate. It's how people operate in general. If you look at what successful people do, particularly small business owners like us, if you look at what they do compared to those that struggle, most generally it's finding a way to do what they know is in their own best interest versus finding an excuse as to why they shouldn't do that. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that somebody's looking at a major purchase. They're wanting to buy something. They really think it'll help them either add income or value or happiness to their life, whatever it is. They really like it. They're sold on it. They love everything about it. They're just, wow, this looks good. This is awesome. Great. How much is that? And then it's a crazy high price. Here's where the difference is between those that are successful and those that aren't successful. Those that become successful in life, they'll say, okay, that's a lot more than I thought it would be. I'm not even sure how I can do that, but I have to find a way to do that because I know it's going to be in my best interest. So I'll find a way to make that happen. The difference is somebody that's not going to be successful, when that crazy high price is revealed, when they're like, I know I need this, I know it'll help me, it'll make me happier, or it'll make me more money, or it'll help my family. When they hear that crazy big price, they'll convince themselves they don't need it. So I want you to think mentally what this feels like. So like, wow, this looks really good. Oh my gosh, I love the demonstration. Oh yeah, I can see how that would help me. Yeah, that would be awesome. Okay, yeah, perfect. That sounds good to me. How much is it? And they say that crazy price. They're like, oh my gosh, no, I don't need it that bad. No, it's probably not even that good. It sounds like a scam to me. I'm sure it doesn't work for everybody, right? Like they'll start convincing themselves that it's not good. Like you were there until money got in the way for you, until you find that one issue that you know it's going to help you, but you'll convince yourself you don't need it rather than finding a way to make it happen. Now, this is true for home buyers. It's true for home sellers. It's true for every sales industry in the world. And I want you to think about how you operate as well. If you see something that you really, really want, do you find a way to make it happen, or do you make excuses for yourself? So let's say, as an example, you wanted to run Facebook ads, and let's just go crazy here. Let's say it was going to be $2,000. Do you freak out about, oh my gosh, I can't do $2,000. It probably doesn't even work anyway, and I don't know what I'm doing, and talk yourself out of it? Or do you look at empirical evidence that shows that 100% of the people that do this the correct way make tons of money, and you find a way to make that happen, even if you got to go get a loan shark to make it happen? Which is better for you? Because what you'll find is top producing real estate agents, they do what they have to do to create success, but they certainly won't sabotage their own success by not taking advantage of opportunities when they come up. The agents that aren't spending anything, aren't doing anything, they don't have a business, right? You literally have nothing going on because you're fighting obscurity. Nobody knows who you are in the marketplace. So I've noticed that when people are buying big things, many of you know I just bought a really nice watch, and looking at how people operate in the jewelry store, those that want to be successful are like, wow, that's something I really got to achieve to. Let me find a way to make that happen. And those that are never going anywhere and really shouldn't have wasted their time in the jewelry store, they'll love the piece. And then when the price is revealed, they're like, oh, I don't need it that bad. Oh, it's probably not even that good. I can get a knockoff online. Like they'll start convincing themselves otherwise. So you got to be real careful of listening to the only person you believe, which is your own mind. You got to be careful what you tell yourself, because you do believe yourself. And what you'll find is when it's time to take action on something, either you find a way to make it happen and you've got that ambition you need to truly move forward, or you start making excuses for yourself and you do the hate thing, right? Like, oh, I don't like that guy, or that probably won't work, or whatever the case is, whether it's a product, a service, something that's just for you personally, whether it's a watch, or even in real estate, in the coaching business, in the advertising business, and all of the stuff that we do, you have to decide, can you make an educated decision if that makes sense for you or not? And then how will you find a way to make it happen? Because the only thing that's for sure is if we don't take action, we're going to get more of the same, what we've already had. So hopefully that's a good lesson for you there. And again, you want to keep that in mind when working with clients as well. But I've always found it interesting that successful people will find a way to achieve what they want, and they'll get a whole game plan together on how they can make it happen. Whereas those that aren't successful, they keep going to like business opportunity events and finding reasons that that crap won't work, and they tried everything else and that crap didn't work. They're just going nowhere, and it's because of their own mindset. Meanwhile, people are making millions of dollars all around them, right? So keep that in mind for your own business as well. I know as real estate agents, we get all kind of crap coming in our email and all that. Some of it's pretty damn good. If you look at what top producers are doing, they're involved, they're buying leads, they're getting their own leads, they got advertising over here. Well, they all started with nothing, like, $5 a day. They all started very cheaply and were able to generate revenue to build a successful business. You got to start somewhere. So hopefully that's helpful for you. What I want you to do is check out getfastclosings.com. I have a full training on what you can do with my favorite term I like to use, advertising that you can use at el no costo. I'll be telling everybody the story around how I came up with that el no costo. I'll be talking about that at the coaching retreat coming up here. But check out getfastclosings.com. You'll see about a 40-minute presentation on sales, marketing, some free approaches you can use to build your business. I think you're going to find it incredibly helpful. If this type of stuff is helpful for you, by the way, the mindset stuff and even the strategies and tactics, make sure you like the video here. Follow our page and turn on notifications. You got to have your notifications turned on so you can tune in on the things that we're discussing here. So hopefully that's motivational for you today. Get you out there selling some houses and making some good money as a real estate agent. Nobody's here to support you more than I am. I'm incredibly excited to see everybody doing so well, particularly those of you that have joined our Inner Circle coaching and that type of thing. Love to see all the great results. So go out there and crush it today. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. But again, go to getfastclosings.com. Should be a link in the description here somewhere for you to check that out. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. That's a webinar that's on demand, so you can watch it. It starts every 5 minutes. So jump in there right now. If you got 40 minutes available, you'll be able to get some really cool approaches to selling more houses. So thanks so much for all the comments here as well. I appreciate the community that we've built. Everybody that's kind of leaving our positive comments or things that you're doing or what's working for you. Like the page, follow us here, and turn on notifications. Go sell some houses. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.